Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make cheesy yummy pizza using a pizza base. The ingredients are pizza base, yellow bell pepper, black olives, green chili, sweet corn, onions, spring onion, red bell pepper. I also have chicken keema kebab slices, cheddar cheese and tomato puree. Let's begin. Firstly, apply tomato puree everywhere. And now sprinkle cheese. Place keema slices on top. Now I'm going to top the pizza with my vegetables. I've topped my pizza. Now I'm going to sprinkle more cheese on top. Preheat the oven on gas Mach 8. I've taken it out and it looks very nice and cheesy. Therefore, this means our pizza is ready. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.